Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika and today I'm back in the kitchen again. So as you can see, I have some chicken foot here. I already washed it with some vinegar and water. So now I'm going to season it. So today I'll be doing curried chicken foot and I'm going to show you how I normally do my curried chicken foot. So here I have the Maggi nutisimo seasoning. This is the first time I'll be using it. Please let me know in the comment section if you have used it before and if you like it. And I also have, give me a minute, and in this bottle I have some mixed bulk seasoning. So there is all-purpose seasoning in there, wing seasoning, and season to the bone. So now I'm going to go in with the seasoning. I'm not going to use too much because I'm not sure how salty this seasoning is. This looks like mostly crushed natural seasoning and MSG. I'm not sure. I'm going to read the label when I'm finished. So I would normally use some natural blend seasoning, but I don't have any at the moment, so I'm using what I have on hand. So I'm just rubbing up the seasoning all over the chicken foot. So now this is seasoned. I'm going to cover it and leave it to marinate, and then I'll show you the rest of the process. Stay tuned. At the pot now. So now I'm adding some oil. I'm not going to add too much. Just enough to cover the bottom of the pot. So this is a pressure cooker pot. I normally pressure chicken foot because it's tough. It's normally tough and it takes a while to cook. So I'm just waiting for it to heat. The oil is hot now, so I'm going to add a piece of brown pepper. You see the pepper here? It's really hot. So when I use it, I would recommend if you use enough if you have a low tolerance to heat. And I'm also going to add some curry powder in there, because as I said, a curry chicken foot, I'm doing curry chicken foot, so the curry is a major part of the yes. So the curry powder is in the pot. So now I'm going to add the chicken foot. It's really spicy. I can smell the spice. So I'm just going to leave the pot open for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to, until the curry color is strong on the chicken foot, and then I'm going to add some water and put it to pressure. It's now time to add the water. So I put it in the pan that I seasoned the chicken foot in to get out everything out of it. So I'm just going to stir it a little and cover it and leave it to pressure. I think I'm going to add a little bit more water because I don't want it to dry out and then it stick to the bottom of the pot. I'm just adding 1 cup of water. Not measuring cup, I'm just using a cup from the kitchen. So I'm going to cover the pot now. I had to pause the camera and cover the pot because I need both hands to cover this pot, and I'm using one hand to video and one hand to maneuver whatever I'm doing. So now I'm adding the weight on the pot, and I'm going to leave it to pressure for approximately 20 minutes, and then I check on it and see if it's at the texture that I want it. This is what it looks like now. I tested it. It started to pressure, but I'm not going to let it pressure completely as yet because I'm going to add some chicken in there. So this is the chicken that I'm going to add. It's not a lot, so I don't want it to cook and mash out, so that's why I don't let it pressure completely. So I'm not going to cover it back with the pressure cooker cover. I'm going to use a normal pot cover to cover it, and I'm also going to add some seasoning in there. This is the seasoning that I'll be using. This is thyme, scallion, onions, and sweet pepper or bell pepper. So I'm just going to add that to it now, and add a little bit more water to it. Give it a stir. And leave it to cook. You can eat this with whatever starch you like, rice, roti, bami, whatever you want. You can eat it with anything that you desire. So I hope you enjoyed my video. It's cooked, so I did not let the gravy dry down too much because with chicken foot it's a bit gummy, so the gravy is going to thicken. So this is the end of my cooking curry chicken foot video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you thought about this video, and let me know what you would like to see me cook next time. Bye.